This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Gmail and signing in. Type your Google email and password, then press Enter. Once done, make sure two-step verification is enabled for safety. It prevents unauthorized access. If you don't have an account, tap Create Account and follow prompts. Add a recovery phone and alternate email so you can regain access. As you proceed, keep your password manager ready. This speeds login and reduces errors when typing complex passwords on mobile or desktop. Next, you organize and start using Gmail effectively. Create labels and apply them to messages. Labels act like folders but more flexible, so you can tag one email with multiple labels. When composing, enter recipients, write a clear subject, and attach files using the paperclip. Once done, use search operators, for example, from boss at example. Com has attachment to find important mail fast. Make sure to set up tabs and filters to auto-sort incoming mail so your priority messages stay visible. To finish, customize Gmail settings so it works the way you want. Add a signature, enable forwarding, and set your inbox type. Create filters that automatically label, archive, or forward messages. This reduces manual triage. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache, disable extensions, and verify Gmail storage and sync status. These steps often fix missing mail or slow loading. Finally, test sending and receiving with a second account. That confirms your settings and gives you one clean verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.